Today, we will be exploring the key features of the Selzy Builder. Our goal is to guide you through all the essential features and tools that will make you create professional email templates.
When you create a new email campaign after the release, you'll be prompted to try out the new builder. Don't worry, you can easily switch back to the old version at any time. Just like before, you can create emails from scratch or use one of the many pre-designed templates. Once you create your own templates or send campaigns built with the new builder, they'll be available for you to use again later. If you choose to build an email from scratch, the builder will open in what's called build mode with the desktop view selected and the blocks panel on the right. The central area is your workspace, and it also acts as a live preview of your email. This means you can see exactly how your email will look to your recipients as you build it. From the left sidebar, you can switch between how your email will look on different devices like desktops, tablets, and smartphones. You can also do this by simply dragging the preview area sideways. Importantly, switching between views doesn't change the underlying code of your email. It just shows you how it will appear on different screens. The top menu bar lets you set the subject line and preheader for your email. Undo or redo changes, go back to the dashboard, or continue to the next step in the campaign creation process. All your changes are saved automatically, but you can also save manually or use the undo-redo buttons for extra peace of mind. If you'd rather start with a template, choose one from the Choose an Email Design step in the Create Campaign flow. You can browse all the options or filter them by category to find what you're looking for. At launch, there are 29 new templates available, including 16 basic templates with different layouts and 13 pre-designed templates with various themes. The good news is that even more templates are planned for the future, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. Before opening a template in the builder, you can actually preview how it will look on both desktop and mobile devices. This is a handy way to get a feel for the template before you start customizing it. Now, let's talk about the building blocks of your emails. Literally, the new builder uses three main components: groups, blocks, and elements. Groups contain blocks and control settings like the email's background color, padding, and alignment. You can have multiple groups in one email, but typically you'll only need one. Blocks hold the content of your email, like text, images, and buttons. You can choose between empty blocks, which are like blank canvases for you to design your layout, or common blocks, which are pre-designed elements with a uniform style to save you time. Elements are the individual pieces of content that you'll add to your email, such as images, text paragraphs, buttons, and more. You can add them directly to blocks, or you can drag them straight onto your workspace. Image. You can upload images in PNG, JPG, SVG, or GIF formats. Max size is 4000 px and 3 MB. You can also pick an image of a GIF from the stock. You can then edit any image in the image center. After editing, the image is directly saved to the email. You can also add a video by including a Vimeo or YouTube link. The builder recognizes various links, including the video URL, web page URL, and shareable links. You can customize the thumbnail and the play button, or choose to have no play button at all. To customize and manage any of these components, just click on it, and you'll see its settings appear in the right side panel. The settings often have preset values to get you started quickly, but you can adjust them to match your specific needs. Use the plus sign to configure additional options, and the minus sign to clear a settings value if you need to. When you're working with groups, you can add new ones, clone existing ones, edit them, change their order, or even delete them. Some components also allow you to control the direction of the content, such as left to right or right to left, and the display control, which lets you choose whether the content shows on all devices, only on desktops, or only on mobile devices. If you're comfortable with code, you can switch to the code mode to edit the underlying HTML of your email, The preview will update in real time to reflect any changes you make. You can switch between code and build modes at any time, and you can even insert new code snippets as needed. While the code editor won't highlight errors you make, it can automatically fix minor issues like a missing closing tag. Now let's talk about the AI Assistant. AI Assistant in Selzy goes beyond generating text at user request. In addition to processing free-form prompts, it can also perform tasks within predefined roles. Subject line and pre-header generator, get a few combinations of subject lines and pre-headers based on the contents of your email, or write a free-form prompt adding other specifics. Add the output to your email in one click. No copying and pasting, just click the subject line or the pre-header you like, and it will replace the current subject line and pre-header fields in the top bar menu. Translator translates the email's content into the specified language. Copywriter creates a marketing copy based on the specified task. Since our AI assistant is multilingual, you can get your content in any language you need. For left to right languages, make sure to use the content direction setting. Proofreader assesses your content from a few angles, helping you create clear and grammatically correct copy while checking whether you use accurate terms and industry-specific language where appropriate. AI image. You can add an AI image to your email in two ways. 1. By hovering over the center of the image element that is already inside a block on your working space and clicking the AI image icon, the last one in the row. 2. By dragging the AI image element from the Elements tab over to the working space. In both scenarios, Image Center will open the AI tab where you can type in your prompt. You can write prompts in any language and add keywords like realistic or vertical. While the AI is generating an image, you can close the window and continue working on the email. Generating might take some time, usually around a minute, but the actual time will heavily depend on the complexity of your request. The AI provides you with 4 options to choose from. If you encounter an error, try to repeat your request or wait for a few minutes and repeat it once again. Sign up for your Selzy account and start creating beautiful emails.